What up, y'all? Bankroll 10, bedded up Customs. Oh man, I feel like shit. But anyways, got this box Chevy right here. Gonna go on some 26s. A basic little lift, no coilovers, nothing like that. Quick little job. Somebody already cut the fenders. Bolt circle on the car is 4 3/4. It's at 89. Got an 8.5 in it. Got 30 spline axles. So, without taking the car apart, to have the downtime, I had another set of axles that are 4 3/4. So I sent them out to get the bolt circle changed on the axles from 4 3/4 to 5 inch. So like I said, the wheels that are going on it are 5 inch. Bought a brand new set of rotors, stock for the car. Sent those out at the same time to have the rotors re-drilled from 4 3/4 to 5 inch. So that way we can put the wheel on there. And as you can see, somebody already cut the fenders. They cut both sides. So whatever. It's just a 26. Cooling on forward. Should look pretty alright on there. We'll set the front end up just a little bit, but we'll see how it sits first. The back, if anything, I like to bring it down some. But that's on the chopping block. But I'm actually going to pull it down, switch it with the Camaro right here. Because the Camaro right here, 95 Z28, runs good, runs real good. It's got a lot of power. Got some 24s going on it real fast. Again, these cars are not super easy, but quick. These two quick jobs have been in the works for a couple weeks now, and I finally got time to get them in and do them real fast. So that's what's about to go down on these two. So I'll actually get this Caprice off here, put the Camaro on here, and tomorrow, even though it's Christmas Eve, right? Yeah. I'm gonna come down and work on the Camaro. The axles and rotors that I sent out for this, I won't get back till Sunday or Monday. So, get those back. I have the Camaro done. Boom, do the Caprice. Got all the axles figured out for these rear ends. Well, not the 9 inch, the 8.5 right here. This is for big draws. Jordan, Sideways Productions. His big old Pontiac. That rear end's gonna go in there. So we got everything figured out. I got a dunk rear end that I'm narrowing for Isaac. So I got those axles coming too. Yes, better than Customs. We have yet to get the frame out because somebody has been missing in action. So still got to get welded up, finish welded up, finish braced up. That's for the 71 drop top. So we can get it to powder coat. And as you know, I already did this side. That's the notch, frame notch. If you pay attention to the videos. I still need to get these bearings for the back of these hubs right here because these hubs, where they came from, somebody mismatched the hub bearings, whatever. So I gotta find the hub bearings. Because this car was 4 3/4 and the wheels are 5 inch. And obviously that is 5 inch now. I'm pretty sure. But anyways, need the bearings for the back so I can put those hubs on. This side over here, I've already notched, plated back in. I just started filing it, cleaning it up. So I gotta do some more welding, fill in some spots. A little spot right there, get it welded in. Some more weld here, go over this. You want more weld. Like I said, when you put this piece of metal back in, you want a gap. You want to fill that gap. When you fill that gap, you get behind both pieces of metal. So that way, if you end up with a shitty weld, or you just want to polish it smooth so it looks like a stock frame, the weld is all filled in there. So that way when you grind it, you're not going to burn through. If you put this plate to this plate, you know, the piece that you cut out, if you put it and you put the weld on top, when you grind it, you're going to grind the weld till it's gone, and then the plate's going to be you'll see the line. And when you're grinding, whenever you start to see rainbow, that's where you're getting thin. That's probably just burnt though right there. But anyways, starts to get thin. But right there you can see it dips in. So that's gonna get more weld. This area right here didn't come out as I planned, so I'll put some more weld through here. So that way I can file it. So I can make it smooth. So this side is almost done. I'll have this done maybe in an hour or so. Get it painted. And in the next couple days, I can bolt this front end together. Of course, I won't be here for Christmas because it's Christmas, whatever. I haven't been feeling good, so I haven't been answering my phone. And when I do answer my phone, I don't have time to talk and bullshit. So I don't answer my phone. I got a couple customers that are mad because I haven't been answering the phone. I don't know what it is. I get a car done, and obviously the person's car that it is that gets done, they're excited. And then I post the pictures and stuff like that, and then other people getting their feelings and want to blow my phone up, texting me on a Sunday, talking shit, woo, this and that. I try to stay on the same page with everybody, but like I said before, people hear one thing. When I say, a couple weeks, they think it's going to be done in a couple weeks. I can't get to it for a couple weeks. So if every job ends up with a little difference, something I'm running into problems that just backs up everything. Yes, I took on too much work this year, took on too many big jobs. I've said it over and over and over. But I'm in here every day trying to work. Better at Customs, bankroll 10. I cannot find good help. Never started Better Up Customs in 2006, and never to this day have I had good help. Like if I was to notch that frame like I just did right here, and somebody else was to sit here, fill in the welds, grind it. I mean, it's not that hard to do, but when I gotta do that, I gotta get on the phone. When I do, I gotta take parts to get dropped off. I gotta figure out axles, try to answer all my texts, try to answer IG messages, try to answer Facebook messages. I'm one man trying to do this. So there's a lot of people that give me the credit, the patience that, is needed. But there's some people that just don't get it. And from day one, I know not to deal with them, but I still end up dealing with people like that. And they just, I don't know. And then this tough shit. Motherfuckers want to act tough on a fucking text. Act tough on this and that. Shut the fuck up. You want to meet me at the shop? Meet me at the shop. If you get here, I'm not here, whatever. If I didn't respond to you and you were at my shop when I wasn't there, it's not my problem. So anyways, I don't know what I'm really trying to say, except for some people are just straight assholes. And I'm one man in here trying to do it all. And I wish I had good help. And if I had good help, as big as I could be, you know what I'm saying? Better Up Customs, bankroll 10. I'm not trying to rant and ramble, but then again, I guess I am. Just trying to keep it real, keep it 100, and get shit done. Quick shit, little shit, in and out shit. I think I'm gonna go back to quick, in and out, little shit. But 11 cars to go. So some of them are not even that much work. It's just I don't have the right shit yet to get them done. Everything's custom. So anyways, take it how you want, whatever, cool. Better Up Customs, Camaro going on 24s. I'll show how I'm doing that. Box Chevy, getting bolt circle changed. And I'll show you how I'm doing that. So as I do it, I'll post vids. Appreciate y'all. Subscribe. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. Ease out.